clip right here, I actually left the video in regular motion just to give you an idea of how fast I'm actually brushing and about how much water I'm actually spraying on it. It's chalk paint, so it dries really quickly. So having a bottle of water will come in handy, but just remember that you don't want the paint dripping. You just want to lightly mist a little bit. Now that the first coat of chalk paint has dried, I'm going to sand down any imperfections, dust, and then apply a second layer of paint. I know that it's showing up white on camera right now, but that's because I used a white base color. But in the end, you'll get to see that it's a beautiful blush color, just the way that I wanted it. our second coat of paint is dry, and you can pretty much see the color. Well, it's not showing up as blush as the color is, but it's a very, I'm adjusting the lights to kind of give you guys a better look. This is more of the color here, so it's a very blush color. It's not baby pink or anything like that. It's a blush. So, and the white under color is going to help it to reflect light when I need to make videos or do makeup or whatever. So yeah. So I inserted this clip because I thought I was going to use that orange jug back there, but ignore it. I only used the barkeeper's friends. So this is the finished look with all of my decorations, mirror, and my wall art, and I'm completely in love with the way that it turned out. It's totally me, and I wouldn't change. Well, I'll take that back. I would change one thing: the hardware. Let me know if you got what you guys think about the hardware. This picture, I completely fell in love with it because I feel like it set the tone for the whole desk, the whole vanity. You know, it says better to arrive late than arrive ugly. I completely agree. So right here, I'm actually just giving like a small tour of my desk. Well, let me stop calling it a desk. It's my vanity. And it's just kind of showing how I'm utilizing this space. Because I've always had to go to different places to go and get my things when I wanted to get ready. I had a vanity about 3 years ago, but when I had a baby, I got rid of it and put a crib in there. So now that my little one is almost 2.5, it's time for Mama to get her desk back, and this is it. I'm also going to be posting a video of the chair that I'm also creating. It's a DIY as well. I'm just waiting on the fabric to come in for me to finish it. I also will be making my own version of the Hollywood vanity mirror. So if you think that's something that you'd be interested in, make sure you subscribe and like my video and hit the notification bell so that way you won't miss a video. I hope you like it.